Hi, friends. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you are doing well and had a wonderful Easter holiday celebrating with friends and family. I did take a bit of a break. It was off, took a break from posting for just over a week. So I am easing back into posting. I thought I would start with this short but motivating nighttime cleaning video. So if you are in need of some cleaning motivation, I hope this gives you all the motivation you need. And I am just going to share with you my typical nighttime cleaning routine, which starts right after dinner. I always like to clean up immediately following dinner so it's not hanging over my head. And I'm showing you the time it is as I started this video, and I was hoping to get it done within a half hour. This is typically about how long it takes me, 20 to 30 minutes. However, with moving the camera from location to location, it does add to the time. But I am going to just be cleaning up in the kitchen and then doing some straightening in the family room, and that's pretty much it. So kind of a short and sweet video for you guys today. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, be sure to give this a thumbs up, and welcome if you're new. Let's begin. We had hamburgers for dinner tonight, so I am just putting away any leftovers and clearing off the countertops. I always like to start with clearing the countertops, putting things where they belong and putting any dirty dishes in the sink, and then I move on to filling the dishwasher. But that is always my first step in cleaning the kitchen, is to clear off the countertops. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. I'd love to hear how your spring break was. Did you go anywhere, or did you just relax at home? We actually went to northern Michigan. My parents have a place not far from the lake, literally steps from the lake. So it's very, very much a relaxing and just scenic view. It's a beautiful location, and we just had a really nice time chilling and relaxing for a few days. And then we came home and just enjoyed time here at home before my kids had to start back at school. They actually had their spring break was the week of Easter instead of the week following Easter. Typically, their spring break will start with Easter or Good Friday and then run the following week. But this year it was a little different. But yeah, let me know how you guys enjoyed your spring break. I love hearing from you. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As you can see, I pack my dishwasher full, and I try to avoid washing dishes by hand at all costs. So if I can make it work, I will fit every single dish that I can in that dishwasher. And of course, I have a little help from my little Bella there. It is impossible to keep these dogs away from the dirty dishes. Of course, I would never let them near clean ones, but they do lend a little bit of help with the dirty dishes. Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks. I'm just going to give my sink a good cleaning, something I like to do. I try to do it on a daily basis, and I just use Dawn just dish soap and rub that around, scrub the sink, and then rinse it. But I'd love to hear from you guys. What is your method for cleaning your sinks? What products do you use? Leave comments down below. So once I am finished with the sink, I will move on to wiping the countertops. You may have noticed that grill cover sitting out on my patio table, so I am just going to take care of that and put that back over the grill. Like I said, we had hamburgers tonight and we grilled, so sometimes we forget to put the cover back on. So while I was thinking on that, I wanted to go ahead and take care of that. That way we did not forget. So now I'm going to move on to wiping down my kitchen table, and I say it all the time, but this is one of my favorite products for wood, and that is the Method brand Wood for Good cleaner. It just has a really good smell to it and also does a really good job of cleaning the wood surfaces without leaving any residue or streaks. So once I'm done with the kitchen table here, I'm going to move on to straightening up a little bit in my family room.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say.
finally, I am going to vacuum my kitchen. But before I do, I'm just gonna put away these shoes that were left out. And as I'm doing this, I'm reminded that I need to declutter this coat closet and just kind of store away all of the winter coats and shoes because that closet is becoming quite crowded. But I get a lot of questions about my vacuum cleaner, and this is the Shark Rotator. I got this from Sam's Club, I think it was several years ago, and I love this vacuum. It has a great suction. I feel like the suction is just as good as it was when I first bought it. I do maintain it. That's the best way to for a lasting vacuum is to make sure that you clean the filters properly, and do the proper maintenance on it. But I love how it swivels around corners. It's just a great vacuum. So if you're looking for a good vacuum, I highly recommend this one. But that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and have a wonderful day. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.